Alright, so looks like we're live. Good morning, everybody. Hope you've had a good week so far. We've made Thursday. I think it's Thursday. No, it's Friday. We've made the Friday. I don't know what day it is, apparently. But we've made the Friday. One more day before the weekend. We have now Hurricane Elsa that we're keeping our eye on. Our normal graphics, I don't believe is working for, it's working, but like the hurricane part of the graphics are not. So we're gonna have to do a little substitution here, because normally I'd be able to show you all of it on one program. It's not pulling in the Hurricane House today. I believe just got an update about an hour ago. It's kind of been on the fence about updating. But let's just start by taking a look at our cone. You can see Elsa's now a hurricane with 75-mile-an-hour winds. It heads towards Antilles, and then it's going to cross the 3 Antilles. Still is a hurricane before it gets to Dominican Republic and Haiti, and then kind of go over Cuba. It is a tropical storm. But obviously most of us watching are probably from Florida, and we're going to want to pay really close attention to this. So it's not time to go out panic buying, and hopefully everybody has the hurricane kit already set up, has water, has everything they would need to get through hurricane season, with just a few minor things that you would have to pick up before the storm comes. So now it's kind of, don't go out panicking and buying stuff. Now is the time to watch and wait and see. And when we start to get more confident, we on its track, then is when we go ahead and don't panic, but we want to really pay attention. I thought they had on here, maybe not. Okay, so let's take a look. This is the intensity model for Hurricane Elsa, and a lot of them are very in agreement on it being a Category 1 hurricane to tropical storm. This was 60, so yeah, this would be most recent. Just want to make sure. So a lot of them have tight agreement on it, maybe becoming a Category 1 hurricane, then weakening and being a tropical storm. But there are a few outliers that bring it up to Category 3, Category 2, and I think that's probably assuming that it doesn't interact with Cuba and Dominican, and I can't think of the name, Cuba and Haiti, but Hispaniola. So if it doesn't affect with, if it doesn't come into play with Hispaniola, we can look at the map real quick. Oh, I don't know, maybe not. I've got it zoomed in too far rather than pull it out. So if we look at this, you can see Cuba and Haiti are both on the track, and both are mountainous. So what that means is that if the hurricane was to cross over it, more than likely it would get ripped apart by the mountains, because that's just traditionally what hurricanes do. So it intensified quickly to a hurricane, but let's hope that that's kind of it as far as intensification. So this is a GFS model looking at. So this is Hurricane Elsa right in here. This blue low 1001. So if we watch that through time, keep going, keep going. So this is the GFS model, brings it close to, and this isn't going to show intensity or anything, but brings it close to the Dominican and to Haiti, and then have it cross over. If any of you remember 2017 Hurricane Irma, this reminds me a lot of kind of where Hurricane Irma went. And then it has to go a little more west according this model. Kind of make, I don't even know if it would make landfall, but it would clip the western coast of Florida. If it kind of goes right up the middle, then it would be a lot like what Hurricane Irma did. And I've seen models indicate that. I think we can pull up the European, right? Yeah. So this is gonna be the same same model, but just from the European. There's Hurricane Elsa there, and we're gonna take that through time. And the European, I've seen this trend for a few days now. The European says gets ripped apart over Hispaniola and Cuba. So again, that's why we kind of want to watch, see what happens, because the European model could be right, and that'd be great for us here in Florida. But the European model could also be wrong, and we definitely want to pay attention to that because not a lot of models have Elsa getting ripped apart over Hispaniola. I don't think that's the most recent run of the intensity model. Maybe it is, because they did update it. So real quick before we go, I want to take a look at our local radar. Rain throughout the day today. It's gonna be more of the same, really. Rain, heat, humidity. That's kind of story of Florida in the summer. So rain, heat, humidity for the next couple of days, and then we're going to be keeping our eye to the tropics as time goes on. Early next week, we'll have to pay attention. Of course, I'll be here with all the latest. I'll keep you all up to date with live streams, and keep to Twitter of all the latest there as well. All right, have a good day. We'll see you later on, and hope everyone has a great day.